You know how it works by now. I talk, you listen, and no one gets hurt. Today, boys and girls, we are learning about slang. Specifically, slang from Birmingham and the Black Country. Yes, I know Birmingham and the Black Country are different places, but for the sake of this video, we are talking about slang from the both of them. Shut up! Brummie and Black Country slang is quite hard to understand for people who aren't from here. So listen carefully and maybe you might, in time, sound a bit more like a Peaky Blinder. Slang word number 1, busting. Now if something's busting, it's great, it's good, it's brilliant. Alright, busting is good. That is a busting hat. Oh, the sun was out yesterday, it was busting. Not to be confused, however, with bust. If something is bust, it's broken, doesn't work anymore. Oh no, my car is bust. Oh no, my TV is bust. I need to go get it fixed. Alright, next slang word we have is babby. I'll give you 5 seconds to have a think about what you think babby might mean. I'll give you a clue. Take away one of the B's. It's a baby. A lovely little baby. But we say babby. Oh, what a lovely babby. Oh, she's lovely. A lovely babby. Or, what an ugly babby. Right, next up we've got yam yam. Now this is very important because I am a Peaky Blinder. So I'm from Birmingham. So I am called a brummie. I am a brummie. However, if you are from the Black Country, you are a yam yam. They are not the same. We have brummies, we have yam yams. That is the difference, okay? Alright, next up we have a slang word which is found in other parts of the UK, but mainly in the Midlands. We say shrapnel. Alright, now shrapnel means discarded bits of bomb. That is the official meaning, so when a bomb explodes, there are lots of bits of shrapnel, lots of bits of bomb everywhere. However, we say it for loose pieces of change in our wallet. So if you have a 1p, a 2p, a 5p, lots of little pennies, we can say shrapnel. Sorry love, I'm paying with shrapnel, I hope you don't mind. Alright, I hope you're listening. Next up we have ta-ra a bit. Ta-ra a bit. This is just another way of saying goodbye. The French have au revoir, the Germans have auf Wiedersehen, we have ta-ra a bit. I think if you were to extend it, it might be ta-ra, as in ta-ta, ta-ra, and a bit, see you in a bit, ta-ra a bit, goodbye, but I'll see you in a bit. Next up, I am going to be talking about an endless battle that has been raging in the United Kingdom, because this piece of food here, it is called many different things around the United Kingdom. However, I am here to tell you, it's not a roll, it's not a bun, it is a cob. That is a cob. What are you having for lunch? Oh, I'll have a cob. A cob. Now don't get confused with he's got a cob on. This is an entirely different phrase that we use over here, and it means you are a bit angry. Oh, you're a bit frustrated about something. He's not in a good mood, he's got a right cob on. So if someone's in a bad mood, they've got a cob on. He's got a right cob on. Next up, we have round the Reeking, or right around the Reeking, or all around the Reeking, or running round the Reeking. It means going the long way around. So if you have to get from A to B, but you've gone all the way over there, you've seen this person, you've gone over there, oh, I've been right round the Reeking. I was trying to come home from work, but they had some road works on the road, so I had to go right round the Reeking. Okay, moving on. Let's get this finished. I'm bored. We've got clart about. If you're clarting about, you're messing around, you're joking around, you're having a bit of fun. Don't clart about in church. Stop clarting about. Stop messing around. Stop being silly. Alright, quick fire. This is called pop. It's not soda, it's not fizzy drink, it's pop. Okay, this it's called an island. It's not a roundabout, it's an island. And this is a cob. Now, unfortunately, I have to go. I've got some very important Peaky Blinder business to do. But thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please press subscribe, please give it a like. You can follow this channel on Instagram, it's there. And if you want a one-to-one English lesson with, well, me, the link for that is down below. So, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Ta-ra a bit.